the another add with both sides, so make a little bit more bigger and thicker. Okay, so then this is finalize it. We had the issue from the FP1 cases. I'm talking about full mouth zirconia cases. The issue was here is most of the time to make the very thin zirconia in between the connection, okay? And those kind of things is really thin and then created the micro crack and then eventually crack like this. Do I get this kind of case all the time? Not really, but sometimes the problem is between the patient and the dentist, and they keep saying they want the thin. Okay, so we trying to make the thin as possible, and the problem is occlusion forces. The bite is too heavier, and to get the cracking, just like this is very rigid zirconia stone material, so eventually patient will get the discomfort. This, so maybe 3 months or maybe 6 months, 1 year later, 2 years later, this is happening. So the solution is between the cases is another easy solution and a more economic solution, because only add for hybrid bar inside, and we make it a little bit thicker, the occlusion side, and then we make the two piece and put together, and then make the one piece full mouth implant zirconia cases. This is much better. Okay, this is much better. And then the Pontic wise make the convex, and with the metal, which is titanium, which is lighter, it's not chrome copper, so we gold anodize it, and then make it as better section in between the teeth, so make more individual looking. And the lingual side is make a little bit more thicker than this. Okay, so thicker meaning in between the teeth, in order to get the cracking, so make it a little bit more thicker, the another add with both sides, so make a little bit more bigger and thicker. Okay, so then this is finalize it, and I would say I'm a dental laboratory technician. Probably dentists cannot talk to the patient because of extra cost. My problem is eventually is a problem. The problem is the patient get the discomfort, and then whenever they're eating or maybe dating, what they're going to do, they're cracking. After cracking, everybody frustrated, right? So they have to listen the dental laboratory technician evaluations, the cases, regardless they made a provisional, temporary, and it's not going to work that way. So sometimes we have to, I would say not sometimes, most of the times, you have to listen the dentist, you have to listen the dental laboratory technicians who has a more experience. I really don't want to waste dentist time, patient time, frustrations, and those kind of things. So like I said, this is another solution, but the not best of the best solution. Remember, we made the SYTON 7-star inside the chrome cobalt, outside with cement together, two different types I'm talking about. That's the best solution ever, because that one is more expensive than this, but we made so many times, delivered it to nationwide. I shouldn't have any much problem. A problem probably less than 2%. 2% exceptional, the repair, maybe problem because they have a jig problem. Otherwise, you don't have any problem. Maybe sometimes they did not give me the bite record correctly, so maybe bite is off, but never going to break it. And because hybrid bar underneath, and we top up the zirconia, that's the best option for that. This is the second best, okay? Second best, and then I recommend these are big long span cases. All right, then avoiding the problem, and then we trying to give them another second option for them. So you can see my old previous channels are trying to help the dentist and then trying to make the better aesthetic, not only aesthetic, I'm talking about longevity. I'm a lab technician, I really care about longevity, just like dentists. I know patient care about aesthetic, but we have to get the both together. Okay, longevity and aesthetic get together. And plus, I want hygiene. Okay, so 3 things you can get, and then you can get a best product as much as possible. Whenever you contact the doctor or doctors trying to treat the patient, so you have to understand the occlusion forces and then not to break. And then I don't want everybody to waste their time. So this video I'm trying to let you know, and then don't do that and do this. Okay, if you want the best, you can give you 7 star. Thanks for watching my channels. Appreciate it. See you later.